Finally, time to talk about Carolina Herrera Bad Boy Cobalt Absolute. And these names are getting even more ridiculous. So this is a new drop, 2026, a new men's cologne. Let's talk about it. I have worn this for a couple weeks now, so I am familiar with it. This is a full review. All of my thoughts shared. I'll let you guys know what I really think about this one. Standard box, the typical Bad Boy line, and then also the standard design, the standard bottle design, and it does have a nice little plate at the top there. Overall, it's a nice bottle. It does look better than just those typical black Bad Boy bottles by Carolina Herrera. Before we get into this, per usual, if you want to save money, shop the discounts in my description box just down below. Fragrance Buy / Fragflex, Joma Shop, and Perfume Online. Save your money. Joma Shop do designer shopping, do your watch shopping, your jewelry shopping as well. Great website. So let's get into this. This one right here is very interesting. It opens up mass appealing, but then it dries down a little challenging. I don't think anyone who's into, niche indie perfumes will find this challenging, but maybe some of you high schoolers, if you're liking certain sweet and Broxton, maybe easier to wear fragrances, you may not actually like this. So in the opening, you're getting a blast of lavender first and foremost. So this is a masculine spicy lavender with a kind of sweet floral touch, and you're getting a lot of vanillas, and that makes up the majority of the fragrance. But also in this bottle is truffle and a dark wood. Some note breakdowns do say a real oud. I don't know about that. Honestly, I'm skeptical if there's even 0.1% real oud in this. Let's be honest here. But it does come across as a dark wood, or maybe it's a oud accord, a synthetic made oud accord. I'd go more with just a dark spicy wood. But what happens is as the fragrance starts drying down, and I can get a little bit in the base now, but on my skin, even 2, 3, 4 hours in, the truffle accord, warm, dark, and spicy, kind of comes to light mixed with this dark wood. And what happens is this fragrance that opened up with a burst of lavender and vanilla in a mass appealing, high quality way is all of a sudden a little darker and a little spicier. I still think it's very wearable, but you should keep in mind it's a little less mass appealing in the dry down than you think. Do I like it? I do. I actually really enjoy this. I think it's good. I don't think it's the highest quality designer. We've smelled a lot of higher quality designers, but I think it is good because the notes that they use here do come across nice in a dark, mysterious type of way. So I think if you wear this appropriately, you will definitely get good reaction. So what does that mean? How would you wear this? I'd wear this in colder weather, definitely. At the end of the day, it's a strong, sweet, and spicy fragrance. So this is one of your colder weather fragrances. It's also one of those fragrances you may want to wear on a formal or dinner type of occasion. This is something that has a little bit of a mysterious spice and dark wood about it. So more of a formal dinner, date night type of situation, you can wear this. An evening out in the colder weather, of course, just spray appropriately. But I'd say this is not for the summer, not for the hot, humid weather. Don't do anything like that. And really this scent profile, even if it's winter, even if it's cold weather, it's not for the morning. No one wants to smell this in the morning. No one even wants to smell this around lunchtime, okay? This is more of a dark, spicy, sexy type of fragrance. Performance-wise, pretty darn good. The projection was good off my skin, about 1.5 feet, and it stayed strong. It was good performance. Longevity was very good as well. On my skin, I got 8 hours plus. So it's a good performer. The quality is there as far as performance. Sticks to my skin and it projects. Compliments, though, are going to be dictated by how you wear it. So as long as you wear it in the situations that I talked about, you may get a good reaction here or there. But ultimately, I don't think this is a compliment getting beast, a compliment getting machine, right? It's not one of those fragrances that you smell and just the masses love it and think it smells great and it's going to work. This is something, wear it for you first and foremost, but if you're trying to get compliments, spray appropriately. Wear it in the evenings, wear it in the date nights, wear it in the colder weather. And if you guys need spray guides for anything, if you're curious, if you want to look at how I spray fragrances, I always post those in my YouTube shorts, on TikTok, and on IG under IG Reels. I always post spray guides there for all of these new perfumes that have been coming out and tons in the past. And if I haven't done one, just comment and request it. So make sure you spray appropriately, wear it appropriately, and it will get you compliments. Overall, it's a good release. I don't mind it. I just don't think it's doing it for me. I don't think there's anything really exciting about a Cobalt or a Bad Boy Cobalt Absolute, and I don't really know why we need this. I mean, I know it generates money. This Bad Boy line has been very successful for Carolina Herrera, the house, so I understand you still need to put out releases and pump out elixirs, le parfums, absolutes, whatever it may be. It's just getting a little boring. Give you guys another look up close of what this looks like. There you go. Let me know your thoughts though. I mean, this just dropped. I don't know if you tried it in the stores. Maybe you guys got samples. Maybe you copped a bottle. Let me know your thoughts. Always appreciate the support, guys. Go check out those discounter links and codes down below in my description, and I'll see you in the next video.